So this is the Sena Prism camera. It's the first camera from Sena. The cool thing about it is that the audio you are hearing is coming through my Bluetooth headset. This is also the Sena 2.0, or actually this is the Sena 20S headset, which will control the camera. So I can control most functions. I can start and stop recording. I can turn the prism on and off, or at least put it to sleep. So if I put it to sleep, I can then use my phone and listen to music and so on through the headset. The intercom takes priority over video recording. So if one of the other guys with a Sena headset, and there are several of them in this group, but if one of the other guys chimes in with the intercom, then there's no problem. It works very well. Now, when you consider the speed that we're currently doing, although my speedometer is extremely optimistic because I've changed the gearing on the bike, but we're still probably doing well over 70 miles an hour. The wind noise is not horrible, it's okay, but you can tell that the audio on the camera is really very good. It's coming through my helmet microphone, and I'm able to talk into the audio track as I'm riding. So I think as a test, this really shows really how very good this piece of equipment is. The camera's actually mounted to my helmet and has a wide angle lens, so I'm confident that the picture's pretty good. So I think all in all, this is a really nice piece of kit. It works very well. High definition video. The Sena 20S headset has just proved to be exceptional. I mean, I'm able to listen to music at all speeds. The noise cancelling technology in their electronics is amazing. So we are able to have intercom conversations at pretty much any speed you care to do. We're able to chat, listen to music, do whatever it is we need, and the audio is clear, really amazing. Multiple functions on the headset, all done through Bluetooth. So obviously you can do phone type stuff and read texts and send texts if that's what you need to do, which obviously you don't really want to do too much, but you can in an emergency. But essentially you can listen to music off the phone. You can have up to 8 people linked by Bluetooth on the intercom. So several of the guys in this group have the 20S headset, and it works really well. Essentially, if you've got anything up to 8, you then click the button that number of times to talk to that guy. So the first guy you click it once, the second guy you click it twice, and when you've finished with the intercom conversation, you then just click it the same number of times to turn off the intercom with that headset. So if I'm talking to the number 2 guy, I click it twice to talk to him, click it twice to turn it off. The only thing I would say about the 20S, and typical with all Bluetooth electronics, it takes several seconds for functions to happen. So it's very easy to click the button and think, wait a minute, nothing's happened. But once you get used to it, you click the button, whether it's turning the camera on and off, turning the video recording on and off, whether it's turning on an intercom or listening to music, forwarding tracks, replaying tracks, turning the volume up or down, whatever it is you're going to be doing, just do it and then wait for several seconds, and the function will then come online. And provided you have that little bit of patience, which comes from using it a lot, you'll be very, very happy with this kit. The only thing I would say is that the downside possibly is that the phone can get confused occasionally, and there's been a few times where the phone just sort of jams up and it'll keep just replaying the same music track, or it won't listen to any commands or commands. It won't turn the music on if you want it to. But essentially what I do is I just turn the phone off and turn it back on again and reconnect it, and it seems to, that sort of reboot seems to just work. So sometimes the phone can get a little confused, but all in all that's really happened very rarely. And I have to say it is absolutely fantastic. It adds such a nice dimension to traveling big distances, having this good quality communicator and video camera. Really just works just super well. Really impressed. Jonathan, you there?
Hey.
Okay, so I am recording us on the Prism camera.
Let me turn up the volume. What?
I am recording us on the Prism camera. So, thank you very much. Hold up 2 fingers if you can hear me. Very nice.
One finger? Oh, 2 fingers.
1 finger. Now, bearing in mind that, what speed have you got on the clock right now?
83.
Okay, I'm about 10 miles an hour fast.
And I'm probably 5 over.
Okay.
It's probably actually about 77, 78 now.
Okay. So, but for 80 miles an hour, we're able to have just a sensible conversation in just a normal voice. I can hear you perfectly clearly.
I agree. I had to turn up the volume a little, but that was all.
So, tell me a little bit about what you think of the Sena headset and the intercom facility.
Well, I like the quality of the sound. I like the music. I like the fact that it pretty much, other than with some wonky pairing, goes right in and out of different modes without any voodoo. I really haven't done much with it other than play music and talk with you, so it's hard to make a full judgment right now. Are you writing up something, or are you already done with your write-up?
Done with my write-up, but I'd like to just be able to upload this video to YouTube.
Oh boy. Well, you're going to cut that out.
Well,
I think the quality is great. I think the ease of use is great. I can't wait to get into the app, because it's probably much easier to use the app to turn switches than to dig through menus on the little click thing. So I'm looking forward to exploring it a good deal more.
Yeah, I use the app, and I got to say it works really well. It adds another dimension. There's a couple of things I had a bit of problem with, and I know Rick had the same thing with his that he's using right now, and that is that the voice command function of the 20S can be confused if you've got a lot of wind noise from high speed. So it keeps thinking that you're trying to say a voice command. So I went into the app and I turned that off. But it's real easy to use that app and just turn functions on and off. It works really well.
Well, Rick's using the boom mic that's really made and supplied for an open face helmet. Why he chose that, I'm not sure.
Well, it's actually the default one. It's the one that comes in the package, but they do include a wired mic as well that you can install. And obviously you and I have the wired mics, and I guess he just didn't get a chance to swap over the microphones. He's still persevering with the boom mic.